Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Teespring to sell custom apparel, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Teespring's website. Go to the Teespring homepage and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address, create a password, and accept the terms of service. Once registered, log into your Teespring account. Click on the Start Designing button to begin creating your custom apparel. Choose the type of apparel you want to sell, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories. Select a style and color that matches your brand or target audience. Use the design tool to add graphics, text, and images to your product. Make sure to use high-quality images and engaging fonts for better appeal. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Next button. Set your product pricing by considering production costs and desired profit margins. Enter a compelling product title and description that summarizes your design. Decide if you want to make any adjustments to the default campaign settings, like fundraising options. Preview your apparel to ensure everything looks perfect before proceeding. Click Launch Campaign to make your custom apparel available for purchase. Share your campaign link across social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Monitor your sales and customer feedback from the Teespring dashboard. Consider running promotions or discounts to incentivize purchases. Adjust your designs or product offerings based on customer preferences and sales performance. Stay updated with Teespring's resources and community for tips on marketing and sales strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.